Hello, everyone. Welcome to MyWebUniversity free education videos or MyWebUniversity YouTube channel. At MyWebUniversity, I bring you a variety of videos in regards to the topics of computer science related courses or computer science or information science, information technology, computing, software engineering, operating systems, a database, programming languages, and much more. So as you can see, I have already posted more than 1,000 videos that are related to operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac, Unix, Solaris, Mac OS X BSD version, and then Linux Ubuntu, Linux Rocky, Linux Red Hat, a lot of variety of programming languages such as Python, shell scripting, C++, Java, you can name it. All of those courses, I have posted videos, whether it's compilers or interpreters or sysadmin related activities, bash scripting, the entire course from zero to hero on Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu version, or Red Hat Linux, Enterprise Linux, or Ubuntu distribution, or Rocky, or whatever operating system that it is there. There's a video for it here, or if it is not there, it will be coming up next. As you can see, I have covered a lot of different topics that you are welcome to subscribe to our channel. And this video is going to be showing up actually with a PowerPoint presentation, news and updates for coming up next. So let me go through slideshow. This would be another video that I'm going to post on the main channel as kind of like a summary of everything that I will be covering next. So the news and update coming up next, I will cover Ubuntu, Rocky Linux, Red Hat on video number 14-1 or 14-2 or 14-3. And as you can see, this is just by itself is a regular expression kind of format. So 14, whether it's -1 or -2 or -3, will be coming on these videos. So the video 14-1 will be Ubuntu apps and utilities, which is going to be this one. I have a check mark on it. When I cover 14-1, Ubuntu will be covered. And then I have this next button on Rocky Linux that is going to come up Rocky, and then as well as Red Hat. And as you can see, the background image of the coming up next for Rocky is green foreground with dark black background. Similarly for Red Hat, it is green on red. That means that those will be covered next. And then the one that will be 14.1 would be Ubuntu. And then on 14.2, we will be we have already covered Ubuntu. That's why that one is checked, and it is a smaller icon. But Rocky, the current one that would be covered on 14.2, will be also checked, that because I'm going to cover that one. So these thumbnails for each one of them would be a separate thumbnail. And then the coming up next on that one would be Red Hat. Red Hat Enterprise Linux distribution. Excuse me. And my name is Wahid Lutfi. I'm providing you these videos on my YouTube channel, MyWebUniversity website, at YouTube website actually. So the Linux apps and utilities on video number 14-3, we will be covering Red Hat, and then that would be the video that will be covered, and then Ubuntu and Rocky is already checked what it means covered. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more information. This is our URL, which is https://youtube.com at MyWebUniversity. At MyWebUniversity is my YouTube channel, which is at MyWebUniversity, and the website of YouTube, and it's a secure page YouTube, as you all know it. So in order to subscribe to our channel, you basically visit youtube.com, and at the search, you could type in the handle at MyWebUniversity, or you could just type in the URL in a browser, https://youtube.com at MyWebUniversity. It will redirect you to this page where my YouTube channel is. And then at that time, if you have not logged on already, it will just say log in. But if you're logged on, it will just have the subscribe button only if you have not already subscribed. If you have subscribed it already, then it will say subscribe. But if it is not subscribe, you have the subscribe button, you click on it. The subscribe button, just to inform you, is like a toggle button. Every time you click on it, if you have already subscribed, it will just open an unsubscribe button. So make sure that the channel that you're interested to be subscribed, and then don't want to unsubscribe it by accident. If you did it by accident, just click on subscribe, and then make sure that you are showing you're subscribed afterward. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Please visit our channel, and our channel, as you can see here, is this one, MyWebUniversity for education videos, and you're welcome to go there and then just watch all these videos. Okay, and then there's a lot of them, a variety of different topics with different classes, different video size, or time wise. Some of them are an hour, some of them are a minute, some of them are 4 hours. So you're welcome to just watch them. And then the kernel architecture or the database, there's a lot of courses, Windows, Linux, comparison of Windows, Linux, all of those ones are available for you, including security, cybersecurity stuff. There's a lot of courses that you will enjoy and learn from it. Take care. God bless you all. Thank you for watching again.